Hey everybody, just wanted to show you this quick. I know this website is a little glitchy. We're finding out that we're not always getting the same number each time. So I'm just going to show you this real quick. Hopefully this helps and you can get some similar numbers. So the very first setup we have is the red block without any weights on it and the smallest blue block, or blue weight I should say. If you hit start, it'll tell you the time and the displacement here. And so it's 1.18 and 2.06 for the displacement. Okay. Now, if you want to try it again, the best way to do it is click on the red block again, and that resets it. And if I hit start, I should get a pretty close number. Now, you notice the displacement is a little different, right? So if I do it 3 or 4 or 5 times, I should get pretty close to the same numbers each time. And then you can either like take an average of that, or you can choose the best number, whatever's close. There's a word bank there. And I also have a little bit of leeway as far as the right answers there too. And then, so instead of using the little hand, I'll show you this again. Instead of using the little hand to kind of pull it back, it seems like when we do that, it tends to get different numbers. That time it ended up working out. But just make sure that you reset it maybe by just clicking on the block down here each time. Okay. And the other thing about the assignment is it'll tell you to use a block or a cart. The cart is the one with wheels. The block is the one without wheels. Okay. And then just make sure you read really closely the directions. Choose whichever one is closest, the numbers that are closest. And again, there's a little bit of leeway there, so I can go back and look if you are struggling with that. And I can make some corrections if I need to, but make sure you're also, the other mistake I see is people write the time down where the displacement is supposed to go and the displacement down where the time is supposed to go. Okay. And then to get velocity, you can just do displacement over time. Okay. The displacement over time to get velocity. All right. And then if you do velocity over time, that'll give you the acceleration, because our initial acceleration, or our initial velocity, is 0. Okay, so hopefully that helps. I know it's a little glitchy. I apologize for that. And hopefully it works out for us. All right, see ya.